Today we're talking about similar polygons, and two polygons are similar for the same reasons that two triangles are similar. So we have angle, angle in triangles, and in polygons we say that all corresponding angles have to be congruent. Or all the sides, all the corresponding sides, are proportional. Okay. The ratio of one similar figure to another is called the similarity ratio, or a scale factor. And the symbol for similar is a little squiggle. All right, so we have these two triangles, and we'll check to see about the ratio. So we'll list the smallest side over the smallest side, so 3/6, then 4/8, and 5/10. 4/8 or 3/6 reduces to 0.5. 4/8 is 0.5, and 5/10 is 0.5. So we have a similarity ratio of 1 to 2, because we essentially write our ratio as a fraction or with the colons. And then we can write a similarity statement. So I'll start with angle A, B, C. So A, B, C. And that would line up with triangle D, E, F. One special set of similar figures is the golden rectangle. And it's a rectangle that can be divided into a square and a rectangle. And the rectangle is similar to the original rectangle. So here's our square. The other figure is the rectangle. And this rectangle is similar to the original rectangle. The ratio of the smaller blue rectangle to the larger green rectangle is called the golden ratio. The golden ratio is the ratio of the length to the width of the golden rectangle, which is the smaller blue rectangle. And that ratio is 1 to 1.618. Let me know if you have any questions.